Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on Speaking English. Today I'm Simon with in front of you. So first of all, I'm gonna describe it in one kind of topic that is like it is helpful for the people those who are interesting to learning English every single day, those who are habituated to spending some time greatly. So in this video I'll be explaining the greater point you know quite well. That is the Ramadan month and we have a like use of the opportunity to spending your time is properly. So if we gonna be involved in English journey, just we have a thing that definitely like we have to be freaking because that's we will have been a winner in the second quiz time. So I just suggest to you, I can suggest you like if you really learn English, that is you have a tricky figures on a English journey like it that will wang back like it will be improving to yourselves like that. I'm showing you something that reminds me that is like looking here it's a green color so it's color if I caption video here like it's color auto tracking and I can change my color definitely so it's reality so I'm saying to you like if you learn English reality so try to learn English like this way if you can practice like a big place where you can go you can spend in some time so it is helpful for you so thank you